Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how you can change username on CoinMarketCap application. To change your username on CoinMarketCap, open up the CoinMarketCap app from your app drawer and sign into your account. From the main markets page of CoinMarketCap, tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Now, click on your username or your email address appearing at the very top in the expanded menu. Tap on the edit button with a little pencil sign in it on the next page, and this will take you to your profile section. Tap on the username option and enter a new username you would like to change to. Username can only be changed once per 7 days, so if you change your username now, you are stuck with this username for 7 days. After 7 days, you can go ahead and update your username again. Right after you type in your username, tap on change username, and you will then be able to update your username right away on CoinMarketCap. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so you never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again with these informative videos. Goodbye till then.